Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to import the NSE F&O stocks list into your TradingView watchlist. First, open your super chart and look to the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the screeners icon, that's the button with small bars. Once it opens, make sure you're on the Stock Screener tab at the top. Next, go to Market and switch it from US to India. Then, under Index, click on Select All to view all the available F&O stocks. Now, to import them, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the symbols. Then right-click anywhere and choose Add Selected to Watchlist. You can add them to an existing watchlist or create a new one. Keep in mind, if you want to create a new watchlist or exceed the free plan stock limit, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. And that's it. You've successfully imported the NSE F&O stocks list into your TradingView watchlist. I hope this helped. If it did, please subscribe to help me, and see you in the next one.